Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and picking a blank workbook or a template that matches your goal. Once done, make sure autosave is enabled and set a sensible save location like OneDrive or a local folder so you avoid loss. Customize the ribbon or quick access toolbar to surface commands you'll use immediately. This saves time. You'll access Paste, Format Painter, and sort with one click. Now create a clear sheet name and set column widths before entering data. You input headers first, then populate rows consistently. Convert the range to a table with Ctrl+T so formulas fill automatically and filtering is available. For calculations, type formulas like equals SUM, B2, B20, or equals average, C2, C20, and learn absolute references with $ if you copy formulas across cells. Make sure to format numbers as currency, percentage, or date to avoid misinterpretation. Use conditions. You finalize by building a chart or pivot table to visualize and validate results. Adjust titles, labels, and axis scales so the story is clear. Next, protect sensitive cells if needed, save as an XLSX file, and export a PDF or CSV for recipients who don't use Excel. Review formulas with trace precedence and error checking to catch mistakes. If something breaks, like a hash value or unexpected text, make sure the cell formats are correct and use formula auditing to step through the calculation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.